Imagine tossing away the key to thicker, long, shinier hair simply because you don't know about it. But lucky for you found this channel. In here, we don't get skip. In today's video, I will show you another DIY you can use to grow out your hair without spending a dime. You are not spending any money for this. That's right. What if I tell you that the humble banana peel you usually throw into your dustbin can literally change your hair game forever? Stick around because in a moment from now, we'll dive into how banana peel water can help you supercharge your hair growth naturally without you spending money. Whether you are dealing with thinning hair, slow growth, alopecia, dandruff, or any related hair issues, you should subscribe to the channel because here we provide you with eco-friendly remedies that you can use to grow out your hair without spending too much money. Let's get started, and you will need a banana peel. So you might ask, why banana peel? First of all, banana peel is packed with nutrients such as potassium, magnesium, vitamin A, B, C, and E. It contains antioxidants and natural oils. This element nourishes your hair follicle, boosts circulation, strengthens your hair follicle without harsh chemical. And the best part is it's affordable and sustainable. Imagine getting all this benefit from something you would throw away. The first step to preparing this is to wash and cut your banana peel into chunks. Before we go into the preparation, let's set the first stage. As you know, hair growth happens in cycles. We have the anagen phase, that is the growth phase. We have the catagen stage, which is the transitioning stage. And we also have the telogen stage, which is the resting stage. Factors like nutrition, stress, and scalp health can influence how fast or healthy your hair grows. An average hair grows about half an inch a month. That is where banana peel comes in. It elongates the growth phase of your hair by providing active minerals that mimics expensive hair supplements. I need you all to know that banana peels aren't just waste. They are nutrient gold mine. Potassium, for instance, enhances blood flow to the scalp, delivering oxygen and nutrients to the hair follicle for faster hair growth. Magnesium supports protein synthesis, which is very crucial for keratin, the building block of hair. Antioxidants like vitamin C fight free radicals that causes oxidative stress, leading to hair loss. Banana peels have so many nutrients and benefits for your hair, for something you just trash into the bin. So you just have to give this a try. You have to try it. It is a must. After dicing the banana peels, we'll go ahead and transfer it into a jar. I am putting it into a jar because that is where I will store it. If you're using heat to infuse yours, then just go ahead and put it into a pot. Studies carried out on this show that banana peel can neutralize damages. It was also discovered that the potassium present in banana peel can improve scalp circulation without any side effect. It also contains silica, which aids collagen production, giving your hair bounce and reducing breakage. Here is the amazing thing. Banana peels contain up to 42% of potassium, more than the fruit itself. Vitamin B6 and biotin inside can promote follicle health, while the natural oil can condition the shaft of your hair. Even for dandruff, the antioxidant property can help balance your scalp pH. Comparing this to commercial products, many shampoos add banana extracts, but by using it this way, it gives you this unprocessed benefits. There are more than one ways to prepare this, but I chose to infuse mine. I will add in 1.5 cups of water, just enough to cover up the banana peel. Then I'll go ahead and cover this and let it sit for 2 days. If you don't want to use this method, you can go ahead and boil it. Simply place it on the fire, add some water and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. If you look under, you will notice the particles coming out. It is not dirt. That are the nutrients from the banana peels entering into the water. The potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants are starting to infuse into the water. When you cut the peels into small pieces, it exposes the inner layer. When water touches it, it immediately starts breaking down and releasing the fiber structures. That is what those whitish threads are. You will also notice the plant cell particles float on top. It also contains starch. Once water touches it, it starts to dissolve. That's what gives it that cloudy appearance. It is 100% normal and safe. Those particles are just natural plant material, not mold, dirt, or anything harmful. Just ensure that your peels are properly washed before you use it. To take out the dirt after boiling or infusing, ensure that you strain it properly. Use a coffee filter or a cheesecloth to strain out 99% of the visible particle while still keeping the beneficial nutrients in the water. After infusing the banana peel into the water, this is what it looks like now. Now let me explain why the color has changed. Banana peels is loaded with phenolic compound like polyphenol, flavonoids, and even small amount of dopamine and other plant-based molecules. When you cut the peels and add it into water, especially warm or boiling water, the cell wall breaks down, allowing those water-soluble compounds to leach out. This naturally tints the water brown. This is similar to how teas and herbs changes the color of water. So that is basically it. It's just the enzymes at work. Now let's go ahead and use our cheesecloth to strain it. Ensure that you don't skip this part. If you don't have a cheesecloth, use a hanky or use whatever you have, but make sure you're straining this very well. If not, you will end up having these annoying residues in your hair, and you don't want that. Regular users report 1 inch to 1.5 inch per month thanks to potassium fueled circulation. Regular users also notice their hair becomes soft and shiny, and that is because of the natural oil that seals the hair cuticles, reducing freezes by 50%. For something you are not spending a dime for, this is a gold mine. So you better try it and give me a feedback afterwards. Did I also mention that it also controls dandruff? The antifungal element present in banana peel will reduce your dandruff within 2 weeks. It also takes care of your split end. The silica content will help strengthen your ends and reduce breakage. And because of the magnesium present in banana peels, your hair will be looking fuller. And if you don't like the scent, go ahead and drop in few drops of essential oil, but most people don't mind because it doesn't smell bad. After that, go ahead and transfer this into your spray bottle. Let me now show you guys how I use this on my hair. For the right proportion, use this 3 times a week. Do not use it every day. If you have an oily scalp, ensure that you dilute it properly before you use. This rinse is only meant for hair. Do not ingest it. If you have to ingest, please do your findings well. I hear someone say you can boil it and drink it. Well, I don't know about that. All I know is that you can use it to grow your plants. Apart from that, I don't know that you can ingest it. For the duration, you can store this in your refrigerator for about 7 days, discard it and make another one. This is literally hair growth on a budget, hair growth without spending any money. So let me know why you're not going to try it. Eat your banana and save the peel for this. After application, you can either wait for 30 minutes before you rinse it out or leave it in your hair. As for me, I left it in my hair. But before you do that, ensure that you have a clean scalp. Do not use this on a dirty scalp. Spray it evenly into your protective style and then use your fingers to massage it in. Afterwards, use a leave-in conditioner to moisturize your hair. 2 to 3 weeks of consistent use, you will start noticing baby hairs. Remember, consistency is key and moderation is very important. I think I have unpacked everything you need to know about banana peel water for hair growth. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section and I'll be right there to give you the answer. Allow me to use this opportunity to thank my amazing subscribers. We are at 15k. I wouldn't have done this without you guys. Thank you so much for finding me worthy to press that subscribe button. My prayer for you all is that 2026 will be the beginning of the best years of your life. If you found this video helpful, like, comment and subscribe, and also share this video to your loved ones who you think might need help with their hair. Thank you for watching and I hope I see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.